Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you a quick, stylish hairstyle you can do at home, step by step. Intro on camera, smile. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm showing a simple, polished half-up twist that works on any hair length. Let's go. Step 1. Prep. Brush hair smooth and apply a light styling spray or mousse to add grip. Step 2. Section. Take 2 small sections from the front, one from each temple. Hold them separately. Step 3. Twist. Twist each section away from your face to full turns. Keep twist snug, but not tight. Step 4. Cross and secure. Cross the 2 twists at the back of the head and secure with a small elastic or bobby pins where they meet. Step 5. Create volume. Gently tug the crown and the twists too. Loosen them slightly for natural volume and softness. Step 6. Finish touches. Tuck any flyaways with pins. Pull out a soft face framing strand on each side.